Hello everyone! Bonuses on 1xBet are great, but many people struggle to convert them into real cash. Here's how I did it. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to Registration. Choose one of the four available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. I claimed a 100% first deposit bonus, which came with wagering requirements. That means I had to bet the bonus amount a certain number of times before withdrawing. Then, to succeed, I choose markets with low to medium risk, like football, over-under, goals. I avoided long accumulators bets. They're tempting but risky. I split my balance across multiple smaller bets instead of one big one. It took time, but by playing smart, I cleared the requirements and withdrew real money. So it's possible, you just need patience and a good strategy. And if you enjoyed this video and want to try the same, put like, subscribe, and see you soon.